Welcome to 488 Middlebury Lane. This charming 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, the 2-car garage, fenced backyard, and luxury vinyl plank flooring, as well as granite countertops inside. It's located in the Hunters Branch subdivision in Hopkins, near Southeast Columbia, convenient to I-77, Fort Jackson, McEntire Joint National Guard Base, as well as Southeast Columbia amenities as well. So we're out front. You can see you have sidewalks on the opposite side of the street. Nice wide 2-car wide driveway leading up to the carriage style door on the 2-car garage. You have some nice accents on the front as well with the vertical siding and some stacked stone on the column on the cover front entry. And it's a nice window, the light above the door. So as we step inside, you'll see luxury vinyl plank flooring that's throughout the downstairs and also in the bathrooms upstairs. So we have foyer hallway off the entry here. You can see the steps going up to the second level where the bedrooms, all 4 of them are, as well as the 2 full baths. Starting off downstairs on the entry hall, we have a half bathroom or powder room with a nice pedestal sink and a commode tucked beneath the stairs here, as well as a coat closet to the right. And then you have a nice open floor plan, main living area. So you have the family or living room space open to the dining area, as well as the kitchen bar counter, which is in an island. You have recessed lighting or flush mount lighting throughout this area. And in the kitchen, you have granite countertops, as well as an included side-by-side refrigerator, smooth top electric range, above range microwave, and the dishwasher here. White shaker style cabinets and then a pantry at that end also. And then access to the 2-car garage is here. So you have a smaller medium-sized SUV parked inside right now, just to give you an idea of scale. And then we'll just give you a peek inside the pantry while we're in the kitchen. So it's a nice small walk-in corner pantry. And then again, the dining area, and you have sliding doors out to the fenced backyard space. So you have a nice patio out back. And again, privacy fencing. And a nice, pretty level, easy to maintain yard. And then again, our bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms are upstairs. And then as you saw, carpeting started on the stairs and continued up. So here is the hall bathroom. It's the second of the 2, the other being in the primary, of course. Then you have double sinks, and nice lighting, and 2 mirrors in there. And then the tub and shower and commode are in a separate room, so that gives you some flexibility in terms of getting ready, having multiple people able to get ready at the same time, especially this being a 4-bedroom. And then you have a tub and shower over here, pretty standard. That was the linen closet. And then you have 4 bedrooms off of this space. So this is the primary. You can see you have the box ceiling in here. And then you have your full bathroom. So you have this walk-in shower, private water closet, a dual vanity, and linen closet space, as well as the actual proper walk-in at the back. And in that hanging space, that's where the racks do go back behind the door. And then you have 3 additional bedrooms on this level. And we'll just cycle through those pretty quickly. You can see one here. And there's your closet. So it's a small walk-in Bedroom number 3. Small walk-in closet there as well. And then at the end of the hall here, before you turn the corner to the final bedroom, you have your laundry closet. So side-by-side washer dryer connections and a shelf above. You have 2 doors that close that off. And then last but not least, bedroom number 4. This one is front facing. I believe 2 of those face the side, and I believe the primary faces the backyard. And this one does have a small, a window inside the walk-in as well. So by it being on the front of the house. So that completes our tour of this home, 488 in Southeast Columbia or Hopkins. You can find more information on sc.purepm.co.